All right, so the first thing we're going to do with this salad is we're going to make the buffalo chicken, obviously, for it. Now, really important, this recipe calls for Frank Red Hot buffalo wing sauce. This is milder than regular Frank's Red Hot. So if you use the regular Red Hot, you got to go down. This is 1/3 of a cup of the buffalo sauce. So straight in there, and nothing too crazy. We're just going to mix that up, give it a toss, and once she's coated, we're going to put it aside, and then we're going to move on to our dressing. For our dressing, we've got 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. We've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We've got about 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we have 1/4 teaspoon of honey, which is a very small amount. And then we have 1/8 teaspoon of cumin. And really, we're just going to mix that up to make our dressing. Okay. Okay, we got about, I don't know, just shy of 3 romaine hearts, all chopped up, ready to go. We've got about 2 celery ribs, all sliced up. About 1 cup of grated carrot. And about 1/4 sliced of just of a red onion. And really, we're just going to get that tossed up, and then it's going to be time to assemble. All right, so now we're going to apply the dressing, and then we're going to just toss it all, get everything nice and coated, and then we're going to be ready to plate up and then top it with our buffalo chicken and some Danish blue cheese. All right, so super easy salad to make. You know, nobody really gets excited about salads, but so far the flavors seem to be kind of perfect of what you're looking for. The buffalo sauce is definitely more mild than regular Frank's. And the bites with blue cheese, you can kind of get that blue cheese dressing. So yeah, for a salad, this is like way better than anything I could just throw out of a bag and put it together. So you've seen in a previous video, the Dude Diet Dinner Time book. This is the original, the Dude Diet. And it's just a great way to get those awesome flavors that you like to have when you go out to eat. So give it a try. The link to buy it will be in the playlist description.